Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zapier for lead capture from Typeform to HubSpot. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Zapier website. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to start a new automation. In the Triggers section, type Typeform into the search bar and select it. Next, choose the trigger event named New Entry. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will now need to connect your Typeform account by clicking on the Sign in to Typeform button. In the pop-up window, log into your Typeform account and authorize Zapier to access it. Once connected, select the Typeform you want to capture leads from. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, you can test the trigger by clicking on the Test Trigger button. Make sure you have a recent entry in your Typeform for the test to verify successful setup. After a successful test, click on Continue to move on to the next step. In the Actions section, type HubSpot in the search bar and select it. Choose the action event, Create or Update Contact. Click on Continue to proceed. Connect your HubSpot account by clicking on the Sign in to HubSpot button. Authorize Zapier to access your HubSpot account in the pop-up window. After connecting, select your HubSpot account and click Continue. Now, you need to set up your HubSpot contact details. Map the fields from Typeform to the corresponding fields in HubSpot. For example, link the email address field in Typeform to the email address field in HubSpot. Continue mapping all relevant fields according to your requirements. Once you've mapped all necessary fields, you can test the action by clicking on the Test Action button. Check the response to ensure a contact has been. If the test is successful, click on the Continue button. Finally, review your Zap setup to ensure everything is correct and then click on the Turn on Zap button. Your Zap is now active and will automatically capture leads from Typeform to HubSpot. Monitor the Zap in your Zapier dashboard to ensure it operates smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.